Hello, everyone. My name is Matthew Quinn. I've been with Tomy for about 3 years now. Basically, I'll give you a little background on Tomy. The technology was designed in 2001 by DARPA. If nobody knows who DARPA is a government agency that designed GPS, they designed Siri, they designed the internet. So they designed this bit technology to fight weaponized anthrax in 2001 after every three-letter agency in the country was getting a white envelope of dust. We've since streamlined it all the way from simple deodorization in a used car lot all the way up to BSL-3, BSL-4 labs handling the most dangerous viruses in the world. We have customers that spray cockpits, avionics. We have customers that spray hot cells. We have customers that spray right on food lines. So I mean, it's virtually limitless to what you can apply it to. As well as the restrictions that you have. It really alleviates all that. And the easiest part about it is regards to application. So we take pride in not having to wet anything. That's the whole goal to it. If you've wetted it, you've overdone it. That's the whole point behind it. So it's literally 5 seconds and you've got your kill. So remediation, mold. Very, very easy with this stuff. As I said, it's all about turnaround time with our technology. In and out, next job. So basically with mold mitigation is you're gonna spray the top part of your mold, so the surface. Make sure you're getting everything on the top part, that 6-log kill. Then as you are continuously scraping, you're spraying at the same time. So anything that's underneath that top layer spore that's getting out in the air isn't getting a chance to survive in the air because you're killing it as it's being released. Once you've continued to scrape, and keep in mind, this is all in a clean room environment. You've laid down your 6mm plastic. You've, sealed everything off, all that. You'll continue to spray as you're scraping. Once you've scraped off that entire layer, you've bagged everything is good to go, you're gonna hit it with an initial spray. So three sprays, essentially. Once you've sprayed it, you validated that you've killed everything using your biological indicator or your enzyme indicator, whichever you prefer. You will go and you'll doff all your PPE that you used, all the contaminated bags that you're gonna take out, pretty much just setting the room at 0. So it's very, very simple. We actually have our mold and mitigation protocol. I can send a copy to everybody who would like one for a more in-depth reading about it, but very, very easy to use. And then obviously we've got the, cleaning up everything on top of that. But it's been tested against 40 different types of mold spores. We've got a list of all those if you have a customer that's very particular, does their research and whatnot. And then biohazard. As you can see, we've been tested against anthrax. We just did a test with or a case study with the US Army on ricin. We're currently doing one as well on fentanyl, since fentanyl is like killing everybody in this country right now. So the return on investment is very quick though, because you can up your price for your customer. You can ask, hey, I've got this new technology, I can add it on. Like I have a guy who specializes in HVAC cleaning. So he uses, as an additional fee, no problem, 500 extra bucks, I'll put a SteraMist into your HVAC system, clean all your coils, all that stuff. So you can use it as an upsell or you can use it just as the service as it is. But he bought one about 6 weeks ago, he's almost paid it off. So I mean, the return on investment is very good, very, very good. Especially for the folks that know what it is, that do their research, that understand the science behind it.